She call me Luda, bitch, I roll out with my shooters. She wanna fuck me in a Plymouth Barracuda. I got my gun on, yeah, she know I'm.
Right guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're just going to be talking about basically how to grow on Twitch, and basically how to get to 50 not subs but 50 followers. Yeah, so let's get straight onto the video guys. Right, so the first thing that you really need to do is try and be original. Try and make your own content, make custom emotes, make custom like stinger transmissions. Stinger transmission is basically like when you change from one scene to another. Try to make that on your own. If you can't, there are a lot of free ones that you can just download from online website. A website I would recommend is called getlevel.com. He sells transmissions, he sells emotes, he sells a lot of stuff. You can also get all free stuff. So yeah, that's step number one. Tip number two, try and self-advertise. Put yourself out there guys. You can't just expect people to find you straight away. You have to make a YouTube channel. You have to put yourself out there because it's really hard to grow on Twitch, trust me. I haven't grown in like a first week. As soon as I made the YouTube channel, as soon as I started self-advertising, my viewer count and everything went up like 10. So basically I went from 1 or 2 guys watching to 10 people watching at the time, which was flipping insane. So yeah, that's not tip number 2. Tip number 3 is just basically have fun. Try to have as much fun as you can. Don't stream oversaturated games. I know a lot of YouTubers say this, but I actually mean this. I tried to stream small games. I did stream a pretty large amount of big games. For example, I streamed Valorant, I streamed CSGO, I streamed Brawlhalla. I mean, those are all big games I would consider. But yeah, try and stream non-saturated games. And that'll help your channel out a lot. Trust me, that did help. Right, tip number 4, be positive about it. Don't just, like, for example, if you have 0 people watching for like an hour, then try and stream for like an hour each day. Not each day, but try and stream like once or twice a week. Because if you stream too much, then there's literally just no point. You're just wasting your time and other people's time as well. So yeah, what I'm trying to say is just be positive about it and don't give up. Right. The next tip is try to become friends with other small streamers. So you have to basically just go to Twitch, type in whatever game you like to play, like what games you usually play on stream. For example, I play Valorant a lot and CSGO, so I search for people that play Valorant and CSGO a lot, and then I try to become friends with them. I hit them up with a follow, I support them, and they probably will support you back. Sometimes they don't, but most of the time people do support you back and follow you, and some of them might even become permanent fans. So yeah, that's another way of getting followers on Twitch. Okay, another way, this is really important in my opinion. Make a schedule. Like if you go to school or stuff like that, like me, I go to school. You have to make like a schedule. For example, you're gonna stream Friday after school, Saturday, Sunday. For example, me, I stream on Twitch usually every Friday, Saturday and Sunday from 3 PM to 5 PM UK time or Europe time, whatever you want to call it, and people know when to come to the stream. Also, I have a Discord server. So yeah guys, if you want to join that, you can. I announce on my Discord server every single time I go live and all that good stuff. So yeah, the next step is to make a Discord server, make an Instagram or YouTube or whatever. Let people know when you're going live. That's really important, because if you don't let people know when you're going live, then they're not going to show up, and then you're going to be demotivated, and basically you're just going to stop streaming, and yeah, just basically going to give up. So yeah, try and make as many social platforms as you can. They'll really help out a lot. For example, me, I gained 12,000 followers on TikTok in less than 2 weeks, and I went from 80 followers to 100 followers in literally one day, which is insane for my channel, because I have never grown that much. So yeah, just try and make as many social platforms as you can. I would recommend getting TikTok because that's the best one. So yeah guys, if you have enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Twitch, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Twitter, Instagram. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And yeah guys, till next time guys, peace.